in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix if Windows updates are not working on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select additional troubleshooters, and underneath get up and running, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and go ahead and run that. To resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, go ahead and just follow along the on-screen steps here and then just follow along exactly what it recommends for the potential fixes. And hopefully that would be able to resolve the problem. Something else you can try here as well, if you were to just go back, select delivery optimization. And then where it says PCs on my local network or allow downloads from other PCs, I'd recommend toggling that off and then attempt to checking for updates after restarting your computer. And then hopefully that should resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.